Hi everyone, we're going to use this top formula here to write the trigonometric expression in this form here. So if I'm using this formula here, the 2 is my square root of a squared plus b squared. My b would be 1, and this is my c. Alright, so just keep that in mind because we want it to look like that. Alright, so here we have it, and we're going to write it looking like that. This a sine b theta plus b cosine of b theta. So we have it like this. So my square root of a squared plus b squared equals 2. My big B equals 1, because there's a 1 there, if I'm looking at this. And now I just have to find, I'm going to look at the C. We know that C equals pi divided by 2. Therefore, this equals, for this formula, inverse tan of B over A. Now, I know that, so pi over 2 is right here, and I know that's 0, 1 when you do that unit circle thing. Alright, so I know that my B, on this B here would be 1, and this is 0, so I know that this is undefined. At tan of pi divided by 2 is undefined. So that means that A is 0. And if my A is 0 and my this has to equal 2 from there, then I know my B has to equal 2. Because this has to equal 2. So you have basically square root of 0 plus b squared equals 2. We have to have 2, so therefore b squared, square root of b squared equals 2. Therefore b equals 2. So now we just have to fill it in. I have my little a equals 0 from here because it's undefined. So let's fill it out. We have 0 times sine of, let's see, my b is 1, so that's just sine of theta, plus my b happens to be 2 cosine, and my big B is 1 of theta. So this just crosses this out, and you're left with 2 cosine of theta. You gotta be a little careful with these kind of problems there. So we're trying to match it up to this. Alright, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.